Challenge or challenge we're doing today is going to call Sleuthkit Apprentice. So with this challenge, it's going to be the same thing as last time. Oh, so we have to download the compressed disk image. In our case, we're going to go on temp and just download from there. So we'll just do ls and remove the old ones. We don't want to make an accident. So rm disk image. Then when that got removed, we'll just download this one. So copy link, and then we'll do wget, and then the name of the file or the article link, and we're just waiting for it to download. And then from here, we just start doing all the fun math. So with this challenge, we want to be able to, I guess, run the similar commands that we did last time. So let's see what we have. So I think last time we ran mmls. So we'll do to do gunzip gzip -d and then disk image, and then we're just gonna wait for that to unzip, and we're just waiting on this to get unzipped for us. Then I'll type ls, we see that. So now we want to do is mmls and then disk flag image, and we see a bunch of partitions. So we see all these partitions. It says DOS offset sector, and units are 512 bytes. So let's see what it's asking us to do. So download this image if you're downloading this image, and there's no hints for this. So let's see 3. So we see, I guess the one that makes sense is probably either this Linux or this one right here to look into. But the one that, one of these three look like very interesting to look at the moment. And the one that intrigues me the most would probably be, let's see, could we make this bigger? Or disk flag image description. Linux swap, Solaris, and Linux swap. So we want to be able to, I guess, see what we could get from these files. So we could run a command called FLS. I'm pretty sure we have it right here, FLS. And FLS is there to look at specific sectors within an image. In our case, we could try all of these. So we'll just do FLS. And then the offset, we could say what offset we want to be at, and then the offset, it could be any of these. In this case, let's try out this one, 2048 offset 2048. And then what we want to be able to do after is just put the name of the file, and it's nothing cool that stands out, so we'll just keep on going. Yeah, what's the next one? What's the next offset? This one. No, this one. 2048, and then this is the next one, 2648, and hopefully it's something cool. And if not, we just keep on doing this. Cannot determine file system, so that's not working. So the next one we had to try is this one right here, 360448. So we go up like that, and then we just delete this right here. And then from here, we just want to check what's happening, and the thing that sticks out to us is that we can access root. So right now, what we want to be able to do is, I guess, specify, accessing the root folder. So how do we do this? So basically, it's nothing. I don't think it's nothing that hard, but it might take a little bit of finessing. So let's see. Yeah. So you could basically access it just by inputting the where we want to look. So 19995. So we'll just copy that and put it at the end right here, and we get 2 folders, which is Ash History and My Folder. So From here on, we could just simply keep on changing the number to be more specific. And in our case, we could try my folder, which seems a lot more interesting than .ash history. So we do that, and we get flag unitext, and then we also get flag.txt. So from here, we could probably, like, I guess, try accessing both if we could. So we could do something like icat, which is a way to be able to display stuff within a file system, within an image. So we'll do icat and then -o, and then we'll probably pick the sector amount, which was this, and then the disk flag image as well as the number 3981. Oh well, we don't need this anymore. We could just pick one of these. So we'll just try this one, flag.txt, if that prints out anything. That doesn't print out nothing. So we'll just go with the next value, which is this right here, 2371. And then we get the flag PicoCTF byte surfer. So we just copy that and insert it inside there. Sleuthkit Apprentice, and that should solve the challenge. And it did. So yeah, that's about it for this challenge. Hope you guys learned something new today. I know I did, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.